wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best garden rakes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, these releaf scoops can make the task of picking up piles of leaves, grass clippings, and even pet droppings a lot easier. They have no moving parts to break, though your back may not thank you for all the bending and lifting required. They protect you from stinging nettles and are an ergonomic design. However, they're not useful for gathering debris. At number 9, the amazing Rake 3-in-1 is certainly an unusual tool and will serve you nicely when it comes to picking up piles of almost anything, whether you're bagging leaves or scooping trimmings into a bin. It's less than ideal for quickly raking a yard though. It is lightweight at under 3 pounds and available in various colors, but it's somewhat expensive for the quality. Coming in at number 8 in our list, double adjustability makes the easy travel telescopic folding the choice for green thumbs with limited storage space. When collapsed, it measures just 32 inches long, but it can be extended to more than 5 feet long. The teeth go from 7.5 to 19.5 inches wide in a snap. It comes with a molded rubber handle and is good for getting under hedges. However, the shaft is thin and can bend. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden rakes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Gardenite GT1048 can serve as your go-to whitehead model for clearing the lawn, or you can narrow it down to 7 inches for use in raised beds or tight corners. It has a total of 15 tines and a zinc-coated shaft that shouldn't rust. It's light and comfortable to use and is a spring steel fan design, but the handle is not attached securely. Moving up our list to number 6. The Gardena combisystem rake head is part of a collection of interchangeable hose, fans, cultivators, and others that offers plenty of versatility. It can be used for leveling and spreading soil, fertilizer, and mulch, and measures 14 inches wide. It's covered by a 25-year warranty and is a durable, rust-resistant construction. However, note that the handle is sold separately. Halfway up our list at number 5. Designed for removing debris without harming plants, the Corona Clipper has a bi-curved bow with extra-wide fixed tines attached to an aluminum shaft. Dual rivets and double crimping ensure that everything stays in place while you get the job done. It's lightweight and easy on your back, with a comfortable length. It's suitable for maintaining large areas. At number 4, the Bully Tools 92309 offers commercial-grade quality for taking on the rough stuff, including rocks, gravel, and sand. It's got a heavy-gauge steel head, as well as a sturdy fiberglass handle that won't separate in the middle of a project. It's well-made and long-lasting, and 58 inches long, with hardened metal tines. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you need a sturdy, simple tool without any fancy bells and whistles, you might want to take a look at the Fiskars Ergo. It's lightweight, with curved tines and a comfortable handle that'll help you clear small to medium areas with relative ease. It's equipped with an ergonomic teardrop-shaped shaft and backed by a lifetime warranty. It's suitable for heavy materials. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden rakes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a solid metal bracket secures the shaft of the Truper 30480 True Tough to the head and keeps the tines secure to prevent them twisting. The tines are finished with a clear coat to protect them from corrosion and to make cleaning them easy. A support keeps the tine guide in place and is backed by a 10-year warranty. It comes with a hardwood ash handle. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the AM Leonard traditional bow is equipped with a shaft made of hard ash, which is known for being tough while also providing good flexibility. The deep socket is tightly affixed with a thick rivet. It features a durable lacquer finish, securely welded parts, and a forged head and teeth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for garden rakes, or simply click beneath this video.